Hello guys, this is Mohammed Amir from conversation.io, and today we will be going through the platform, and we will start it from the first screen that is showing up when you will be logging in into your account. So first of all, you will be able to see different analytics of the platform. Here you can see a total bot users, the active bot users in the last 30 days. Then you will also be able to see your current plan and how many members are there into your account, and how many bot users and how many bot you have created so far. And also there is a segregation by channel of the bots. You can see I've created only one chatbot, that is Omni-Channel chatbot. So let's start this from the second option in the dialog here. The first thing is omni-channel. So most of you guys will be able to know about this. Like, omni-channel is a chatbot that can be applied across different integrations. So you can create a chatbot and deploy it across website, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. So let's say you have a brand and you want to create a conversation strategy and conversational marketing for your entire brand. So you can create an omni-channel chatbot and deploy it across different multiple channels. So basically, let's go to a bot, let's say, and let's create a chatbot, a dummy chatbot here. So I'm creating it from scratch, so you will be able to see how it looks like. So let's say you want to create a chatbot. You can click on this new bot icon, and then you can select individual integration. But if you want to create it for the omni channel, then you have to click on omni channel, and then you can click on open bot here, and you will be able to see the chatbot that you have created for the entire platforms. Let's say, for example, for a website, for Facebook, and for every other social media platform. So this is the playbook, this is the visual builder where you will be able to deploy different chatbot functionalities and create a roadmap or a chatbot flow, you can say. So starting up, this is the starting step when the chatbot will be triggering up. So let's start another, let's say, another step here. So you need to uh, click on edit flow first, and then you will be able to see this one. So you have to click on next step. Now here are some options for you, how you want to start the conversation. So let's say I want to send a text message. Text message will be obviously in form of a text message. You can apply different buttons and uh, show different sort of textual messages to your clients. Now the second step is question. So if you want to create a form, or you want to fetch some information from your users, you can click on questions and create a form. Then actions, there are a lot of actions there. Like, you want to subscribe the user for the chatbot, you can do this in action. Then you, if you want to perform different conditions, then split the flow, then send email, and also go to a specific web flow. These are all the steps that you can perform after starting the conversation, or even afterwards when you are creating a chatbot and you are at a certain point or in your chatbot. You can create these steps all together, or in different sort of what you can say, in different sort of flows. So let's start this from the first step, that is send a message. So here you can see there is a string that is attaching the start to sending a message. So just zoom down here, and let's go to the second step. So here you can see I have already included send a message action. So I will just now add a text. So here you can see different fields here, and you can also, when you hover over to a specific action, you will be able to see a sneak peek here. Like, this is how you can create all these things and how many platforms are supported on this one. Okay, so let's start with the first one, that is text. So just write any text here. So let's say I want to welcome to the demo chatbot. Let's say this one. And then if you want to create a button, you can click on that. So let's say I want to give them options. So here is option one. And upon clicking on that button, what do you want to do? What is the next step? So here you can see all the options that is available here. So you can create another text message, you can add a question, you can add a calendar link here as well, you can also add PayPal and buy checkout. All these options are available, so you can easily do that. Okay, so let's say I wanted to give them another text message after they click on the option one button. And if you want to add additional action, let's say if a person click on option one and you want to create a tag, let's say, so you can create that as well. So let's click on save here. I have configured this one. Now you will be able to see this is how the flow has been set it up. And if you want to just create this here, just for the understanding, just keep that here, and action, take it here. So you are performing two things here. The first one is you are also sending up a text message, and also you are applying an internal or external action here. So let's go to the first option here. uh, and you want to add a text here, so let's say I will write, that's it. And in the actions, click on that, and you will be able to see all these are the basic action you can create. All these are there. So I want to subscribe the person to my bot, so I will just click on subscribe to bot. So now whenever people click on option one, they will be subscribed to my chatbot, meaning they are now my chatbot subscribers. So I can easily like manage them, and I can send them different messages. All right, so let's go to here, option one, and here you can see all these things. Now you want to continue the next step, just click on this one, and here you will also be able to see all these things. So let's say I wanted to have some information from the user in form of questions. So you have created, now every time you create any step or any next step, you will be able to see a string with the particular dialogue of that particular action. So this is the question dialogue, and you can click on that. Now these are all the things which you can collect from the user. Let's say you want to collect any information like name, email, or any sort of thing, you can click on this one. And here when you hover over the particular action, you will be able to see the preview, how it looks like, how you can create, and it will give you an idea how it works. Okay, so let's say I want to fetch the email address of the user, so I will click on this particular action. Now I can write a question. So let's say can you please give your email ID, and then you can do any sort of like you want to store this in form of fields, so you can click on email as your field, and that's pretty much it. So if there is no match, like this is for the condition, if you want to create any sort of condition, like if there is not matching with the particular criteria, then you can also do that. So if there is no input from the user side, then you can also create another step or anything like that. Okay, and also you can create a particular time frame as well. Like for example, if a person is not uh, replying within 1 second or any sort of, like let's say 30 seconds, then you can expire this particular thing, and then you can continue the next flow. So this is how you can do that. Then in the advanced settings, you can do that settings for WhatsApp. Here you can see the icon, so you can put up any sort of headers and footer, and you can choose any sort of like let's say buttons and any sort of thing. Like you can give them the quick answer button for the Telegram, and for the WhatsApp you can also give them in form of button. So this is how it looks like. Now coming to the next question, if you want to do that, you have to click on um, continue, select next step, and then another question if you want to do that. Or if you want to do it in this again, like you want to give another question to the user, then you have to choose another text, let's say. So if you want to put up a message, let's say you want to fetch first name, so you can write up, and I get your good name. So you have selected that this will be saved to first name fields. Okay, So this is how you can create multiple questions. Let's say you want to pick up a date range for some time booking. You can also do that as well. So here comes for the time, like what is the best time to book a demo. And here you can you have to create basically a response for that. So let's say you want to date and time. So in this particular thing, this is how you have created for the date. Okay, now the date range will be shown to the user, and then you can also give them that particular option. Now if you want to preview how this function will look like in the real time, you can click on this one. Let's say you can click on this preview step here, open in a new browser. So this entire step will be can be seen here. So when you click on this one, start conversation, can so this particular thing is here. So let's say I am inputting my email here. Now it is saying, can I get your good name? So just typing in my name here. So this is how the chatbot will be in action after you deploy and publish this flow. And what is the best time to book a demo? So you will have to click on select. Now uh, a particular calendar will be appearing up here, and you can choose any sort of date and time here. So let's say this is the date I want to book. So the chatbot has saved that particular date. So this is how basically you can also preview the entire thing before choosing or deploying the chatbot in the real time in your integration. So for publishing the chatbot, you need to click on publish, and it will be published onto your platform. So this is how it works. In the next tutorial, we'll be exploring more about different other things, about contents, about tags, and about different automations. So see you in the next video. Thank you.